Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to pause Windows 10 updates for up to 35 days. So this could definitely be ideal for some people that don't want to have their updates automatically restarting their computer for them every so often. So just keep that in mind, and we're going to just jump right into it. We're going to start by opening up the start menu, and either you want to type in settings or left click on the little gear icon that says settings if you hover over it. So just left click on that. And now you want to left click on the update and security tile. It might be near the bottom, so you just want to go around until you find it. And then once you've done that, now you want to left click on advanced options right down here underneath advanced settings. And once you've done that, you want to select and go down to where it says pause updates. Temporarily pause updates for being installed on this device for up to 35 days. When updates resume, this device will need to get the latest updates before it can be paused again. So if you toggle to the on position, you can see how long it'll be paused until. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And once you've done doing that, I would recommend closing out of here, restarting your device, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.